Hello class, open page number 71 in your maths book. Regrouping tens and ones. We will do exercise 5.4. Look at the first example. There are books that you can see. In this exercise, what we have to do is that we have to regroup the items and write as tens and ones. We have to make group of tens and ones. Here you can see there are group of 10 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is one group of 10 books. So you have written 1 here. And the remaining how many books we have? 5. So we will write 5 here. Come to B. Again here we will make group of 10 pencils first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is group of 10 pencils. So you will write 1. Group of 10 is 1. And the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pencils left. So we will write in the ones. Look at the third example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this also we will make group of tens. And how much we are left with? We are left with 2 cubes. 1 and 2. So the group of 10 will again be written as 1. And the 2 will be written here below 1. So this is 12. So I hope you all have understood. The remaining questions you will also do in the same way. Hello class. We will now do exercise 5.5. Addition and subtraction using the number line. We will do addition and subtraction on this number line. Exercise 5.5. Let us do the first question. 12 minus 7. We will subtract 7 from 12. You can see this number line. We will first find where is 12. Here it is. So you have to draw a line from 0 to 12. And then what we have? We have minus 7. Then you will go 7 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we have here? We have 5. So 5 will be the answer. Second question. 16 plus 3. Where is 16 on the number line? Here it is. You will first draw a line from 0 to 16. Then you have to add 3 in this. So you will move 3 steps forward from 16. 1, 2, 3. What do we have here? It's 19. So 19 will be the answer. Third question. 9 plus 6. You will draw a line. 9. Till 9 you will draw and then you will move 6 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we have here? We have 15. So 15 will be the answer. D question. 18 minus 9. You will draw a line and come to 18 and then you will move 9 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we have? 9 is the answer here. Now we will do exercise 5.6. Solve the following using number strip. This as well as this is a number strip. We will solve these additions and subtraction with the help of these number strips given above. Let us do the first question. 11 plus 7. What do we have here? 11 plus 7. You can see 11 here. And then what we have to do? We have to add 7 in this. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we have here? 18. So our answer will be 18. Next question is 16 minus 6. Where do we have 16? Here. What we have to do? We have to subtract 6 from 16. So what we will do? We will go 6 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we have here? 10. So 10 will be the answer. 10 plus 4. 10 is here. We have to add 4 in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. 14 minus 6. Where is 14? Here. What we have to do? We have to subtract 6 from 14. We will move 6 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we have here? We have 8. So students, you will do remaining questions in the same manner. Now students, open page number 74. We will do exercise 5.7. Addition or subtraction on abacus. We will use abacus for addition as well as subtraction. So before starting, you must know that this beads represent value of 10 and this represent value of 1. Now let us do the first question. 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3. This is 10. First we need to make 14. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14. We have to subtract 3 from this. So you will cross 1, 2, 3 and count the remaining. 10 plus 1. What is this? 11. Come to second question. 10 plus 1. This represents 10. We have one bead over here. Plus 1. This is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. You will write 11 here. 10 plus 3. This is 10. We will make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 here. Next is 17 minus 5. 10 is here. We need to make 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have to subtract 5 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count the remaining ones. 10, 11, 12. We have 12. 17 minus 5 is 12. 13 minus 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. We will subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. What do we have? Only 10 left. So we will write 10 over here. 10 plus 2. 10 is here. Plus 2. 10, 11, 12. We will write 12 here. Now in the same manner you will do the remaining questions as well.